Hello friends, today I will show you a wonderful and magical video. Let's get started. Surprise! This is a skeleton from a long time ago, and now it has woken up to show you how funny it is. Are you ready to enjoy some fun tunes?
Hey! Hey!
Happy not happy yet, it's not over yet, let's see more.
Huh?
Now let's have fun with skeletons, hunt and cook. Wow, why are there so many shrimp? Oh, a big lobster. No, don't tell me it jumped in the water. Oh my, it's dancing, I can't believe it.
Huh?
So it's been waiting to become a dish. Looks delicious, isn't it?